Nos vamos del party así como si nada tú. No es de...
Okay, this man throwing the little shooting shells, bit dog. Bruh, I like that, bruh. What's going on? Welcome back to a better video. Welcome back to the channel, man. Alright, so look, man, I don't know if you guys saw like 2 days. Well, I think I'm gonna drop it like I think it went out like 2 days ago, because I don't know, it haven't went out yet, but I think it goes out 2 days ago. I'm not too sure. But anyways, man, hey, I will put the annotation up there. I checked out the first ever Trueno video, which is like third most viewed video on the whole BZRP channel, and it was like session number 6. Flow was absolutely insane. So hey, we're here to check out the second version I did, which is part number 16, and somebody's knocking at my door. So this, man, with all that being said, man, I was like, boom, bro, we gotta check out his second version. I didn't want to delay it too much longer just because I enjoyed the flow in the first one. So hey, we're back here to check this one out here today. Now here's another thing too. I also have the English translated version pulled up on this monitor right here. So like, I'm gonna have these on too, so like we kind of know like where we stand it on the thing. Let me get my English up right there, and it also got the original translator right here. So hey, we're not gonna skip a beat, and we're not gonna skip no bars in this. So this, man, with all that being said, man, we have to go get straight into this thing. But if you guys are new to the channel, man, hey, consider hitting that subscribe button down below. On the way to 20,000 subscribers. Thank you guys for all the recent support, man. You guys are absolutely going the same, bro, and I truly appreciate you guys. Other than that though, hey, let's check it out, man.
Hey, yo, es el Trueno, pai, con el Visa, volumen 2. ¿Saben qué es?
That's not even what he said. That just said thunder. He said, it's Trueno country with BZRP. That thing said thunder? What, bruh? It's thunder, father? No, bruh. Dang, bruh. I ain't know the translator be off like that. Now I see what you guys talking about, bruh.
Visa, volumen 2. ¿Saben qué? Se parece a mi boss, al fucking boss. Hey, paseo a los dos y enrolando unas flores. Voy con los mayores, menores de edad. Llegamos, quemamos, comemos, cantamos, nos vamos del party así como si nada tú. No es de...
Okay, this man throwing the little shooting shells, bit dog. Bruh, I like that, bruh. I walk the doggies, rolling some flowers. I go with the older manure. We get there, we burn, and we eat. And they didn't translate that part, but and then he threw in a little shooter. You just shot in the GT, bro. I like this, bro.
Vamos del party así como si nada tú. No es de verdad, solo disparan en el GTA. Se sienten zarpados con temas que hago sin nadie los juna, toquen para allá. Mantengo mi estilo agarrado, pero se me va, yeah, un punto aparte en la sociedad. Watching santo más, ahora no tanto más. Año 2007 tu click.
Bro, that shooting sound is fire. I don't know, bro. Like, it's such a generic. It's like the cartoon sound. Like, I don't know if you guys ever watched Tom and Jerry, bro, but like, when Tom and Jerry would always run in, they would always get shot at. It was literally that exact same sound, I believe. I don't know if you guys ever watched Tom and Jerry. You guys might be too young. Alright? You might be too young. You might not even been born. Nah, I'm playing, bro. I'm playing, bro.
Año 2007 tu clic en pañales, son como una 4 más. Perdido por tanto flash, dormido por tanto hash, dolido contando cash. Ey, nega, piensan que no me la aguanto, tengo a su guacha todo tanto, a mí me respetan por mi humildad, mejor hablar poco que hablar de más. Empresario con corbata, conmigo no. Quiero esa shorty conmigo, así ya no convivo con mi dolor. Fresco, menta, mi cara va en cámara lenta. El que la vive no la cuenta, shit. Yo siempre ando con la cabeza repleta por la money. Son 4 toys sin story, mambo que viste en el barrio por la money.
No, that man said R4 toys without a story. Bro, if he telling like how he think he talking, that man talking about Toy Story, but I don't know. Let me see. Lost in so many flashes, sleep because of too much hash. Hurt but counting cash. They think I can't take it. I have your watch all craving. They respect me for my humility. Better talk little than talk more. Mambo heavies in the neighborhood for money. What is it? Huh? That just ain't even in the lyrics. What? I'm confused.
En el barrio por la money. Sorry, no veo
Yeah,
motherfucking coming.
I like how you do that in
Don't
there.
worry. Tanto humo que se incendia el lobby. Tanto malo que llamaron a la poli. A la poli. Otra vez estoy armando y no me dicen Diego. La boca está prendida a fuego. A mí me escribo el peligro, no le tengo miedo. Si este año no me pego, nos vemos, un beso. Como el visa sabe mucho más de eso. Como el visa, avisa de todos de mis versos. Si ando con los brody, ey, con los mayores, menores de edad. Llegamos, quemamos, comemos, cantamos y nos vamos del party así como sin nada. No es de verdad, solo disparan en el GTA. Te sientes zarpado con temas que hago, toca para allá, mamá. Mantengo mi estilo agarrado, pero se me va. Yeah, un punto aparte en la sociedad. Un watching santo más, ahora no tanto más. Año 2007, tu clic en pañales son como una 4 más. Visa y Trueno. Ey, si Trueno te avisa, bueno, yo soy su bisabuelo. Nos vemos.
See, now here's the thing, bro. Have we finally met our match with the BZRPs, bro? I mean, like, see, that one, it was starting off pretty fire, bro, but I just ain't see like the momentum carry like all the way through. Like I thought like the song was gonna be like fire, like pretty much all the way through. But I ain't gonna lie, like, bro, his first one was a lot better than this one. And so I thought he was gonna like really deliver when he came back on the session and whatnot. But like, see, it's not like too bad. Like I wouldn't call it like garbage, because I mean he came in with some heat. He came in with the sound effects, but it's like it's just like the fireness wasn't carrying like all the way through. Like if I'm being like completely honest here, ain't no hate at all or nothing like that. But like I say, bro, number 6, you know, greater than 116. Whoa, no, that's 116. Then 16, bro. I mean, if we be honest, bro, number 6 was better than 16. So his first session was a lot better than his second session, though. If we being completely honest. Yeah, man. Hey, that's how it is, bro. Don't be saying no hate my way. I mean, see, I'ma still like it though. You know, I'ma still like it though. But like I say, bro, it's just like the fireness just wasn't carrying through like all the way like the first one was, bro. But yeah, man. Hey, like I said, bro, you know that's just how it is, bro. No hate toward him or anything like that. But yeah, man, just in summary and in total, number 6 was better than 16, bro. I think we can all agree on that, man. You know, man, that is gonna do it for the reaction, man. If you guys did enjoy, make sure you guys hit the like button down below. Make sure you guys hit the subscribe button down below as well. On what a 15 or 20. How am I messing that up right now, bro? We're at 17K now. How am I messing up 15, bro? We're on the way to 20,000 subscribers. Truly appreciate every single one of you guys' support. And appreciate you, man. Love you guys, man. Appreciate the support that all you guys have been showing me recently. But other than that, though, hey, Speedboat Quality carrying them out this thing. Peace out. Love you guys.